So in this question a ripple counter is shown to us and we have to find whether how this ripple counter works. So it works as a mod 3 up counter, mod 5 up counter, mod 3 down counter or mod 5 up counter. So first of all it is a ripple counter because this clock is provided to only one JK flip flop. See, there are 3 JK flip flop A, B, C, but this clock is provided only to one JK flip flop and this output QA of the first JK flip flop is provided as clock to this JK flip flop, and then QB output of second flip flop is provided as clock to this third flip flop. So this circuit is a ripple counter because clock is only provided to one flip flop and other flip flops, output of other flip flops are provided as clock to these flip flops. So output of QA is provided as clock to flip flop second and output of second flip flop is provided as clock to third flip flop. So this is a ripple counter. So first of all this thing you must understand. Now the second thing is that in this preset is provided. So this QB is connected to this AND gate. This QB, this is an AND gate. So it is connected to this QB, QC bar, this is QB, this is QC bar and this is QA bar. This is QA bar. QB, QC bar and QA bar are connected to AND gate and output of AND gate is provided as preset to these flip flops. See, output of AND gate is provided as preset to this flip flop, then output of AND gate is provided as preset to this flip flop, then output of AND gate is provided as preset to this flip flop as well. So, and J and K are connected to 1 always. So this is the circuit. So in any flip flops, in any flip flop circuits, in any flip flop counters, either one of preset or clear input is used. Either one of preset or clear input is used. So either preset will be used or clear will be used. Both cannot be used at same time. So either preset will be used or clear will be used. In any flip flop counters, either preset will be used or clear will be used. Both cannot be used at same time. So this preset is an asynchronous input. So what do we mean by an asynchronous input is that when AND gate, suppose we have this is an AND gate. So if we provide it, so if we provide 1 1 as input, then it will give 1 as output. If we change this input to 0, then it will give 0 as output. So it is an asynchronous. It is an asynchronous because it does not wait for the clock to arrive. This AND gate does not wait for a clock to arrive. So it is an asynchronous input. Similarly, this preset is an asynchronous input because it is an AND gate. It is provided by using AND gate. So it is an asynchronous input. It does not need a clock to give a result. This does not need a clock to give a result. So it is not in sync with clock. So it is called as asynchronous. So this preset is an asynchronous input. Whereas JK flip flops are synchronous input because they will give output only when the clock edge will arrive. JK flip flop, even if J and K values are changed, they do not give an output until and unless there is a clock which is present. So when the clock edge will arrive, then they will give an output depending on the value of J or K. So J and K flip flops are synchronous flip flops, whereas preset is an asynchronous input. So this is the important concept. Again, another important thing to note is that this preset is active high. There is no bubble here, there is no bubble here, there is no bubble here. So this preset is active high. This preset is active high. This preset is active high because there is no bubble here. So this preset is active high. So the concept you must understand is that when the preset is given, then the circuit will work as a down counter. When preset is given, then the circuit works as a down counter only. because when the preset is present, so when this AND gate output is equal to QA bar, QB and QC bar. So when inputs of AND gate are equal to 0, 1 and 0, when QA bar is 0, QB is 1 and QC bar is 0, then the AND gate will then give an output of 1. So all these flip-flops will preset to 1 1 1. So the initial state will be 1 1 1. The initial state will be 1 1 1, because when QA bar is 0, QB is 1 and QC bar is 0. When QC bar is 0, then the circuit will give an output of, then the circuit will preset to the state 1 1 1. When QA bar is 0, QB is 1 and QC bar is 0, then the circuit will be then the circuit will go to state 1 1 1, because this preset is 1 1 1. So the initial state will be 1 1 1. So it works as down counter, because initial state will be 1 1 1 and 0 1 0 is 0 1 0 is 0 1 0 is undesired state. 0 1 0 is undesired state. So 0 1 0 is undesired state. So states are 1 1 1, then 1 1 0, then 1 0 1, then 1 0 0, then 0 1 1, and after 0 1 1 it will again, after 0 1 1 the state will be 0 1 0, but it will not go to 0 1 0, it will go to 1 1 1, because the preset will be active. After 0 1 1 the flip flop will try to go to 0 1 0. After 0 1 1 the flip flop will try to go to 0 1 0. This circuit will try to go to 0 1 0, but the preset input will come. The preset input will come, so AND gate will preset the flip flops to 1 1 1. So 0 1 0 is undesired state in this circuit. So the total states are 1 2 3 4 5. So it is a mod 5 down counter. So it is a mod 5 down counter, because when the flip flop after 0 1 1 the flip flop will the circuit will try to go to 0 1 0, but 0 1 0 is undesired state, because as soon as it goes to 0 1 0 the output of AND gate will change to 1, and the preset will be all the flip flops will be preset to 1 1 1. So the circuit will go to 1 1 1 state. So there are only 5 valid states, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So there are only 5 valid states, hence this is called as mod 5 down counter. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Also feel free to share any feedbacks and suggestions. Thank you and best of luck.